In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background color in OBS Studio. If you want to give your scene a clean, solid color background, OBS makes it very easy to do. This can be useful for simple layouts, branded streams, presentations, or even just creating a more polished look behind your camera, text, or other media sources. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish in a clear and simple way. First, open your OBS Studio app. Once OBS is running, make sure you're looking at the scene where you want the background color to appear. Since backgrounds usually sit behind everything else, it helps to know in advance which scene you want to edit before adding the color source. Next, go down to the Sources panel. This is the section where OBS lists all the visual elements included in your selected scene, such as display captures, webcams, images, and text. Since a background color is treated like a source in OBS, this is where you'll add it. In the Sources area, click the plus icon. This opens the menu that lets you add a new source type to your scene. You'll see several options here, but for this task, you want the one that creates a solid color layer. From the list, click on Color. In OBS, this usually appears as a color source, which is designed specifically for creating solid backgrounds or overlays. As soon as you select it, OBS will ask you to create the source. Now enter a name for the color source. You can keep it simple and descriptive, like background color, so it's easy to recognize later if you ever need to edit it. Naming your sources clearly is a good habit, especially if your scene becomes more complex over time. After naming it, click OK. This takes you to the settings window where you can choose the actual color you want to use. You'll typically see a color selection area that lets you pick from preset shades or customize the exact tone. Select a color that fits your scene. You can go with something subtle like black, white, or gray, or choose a brighter color if you want something more eye-catching. Just keep in mind that the background should support the rest of your content and not make text, video, or overlays harder to see. Once you've chosen the color you want, click OK again to apply it. Your background color will now be added to the scene. If needed, you can always adjust its position in the sources list later so it sits behind your other elements. And that's it. You've successfully added a background color in OBS Studio.